In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Roblox account on Discord Bloxlink. First, open Discord on your computer or mobile device. You can use the app or a browser, either works. Make sure you're logged into the Discord account you actually use for your Roblox communities so the verification links to the right profile. Next, join the Bloxlink server. In Discord, click the option to join a server. If you're on desktop, that's the plus icon in your server list. Once you're there, use the search or server discovery and type Bloxlink. You're looking for the official Bloxlink server. Joining the correct server matters because that's where you'll find the verified link and up-to-date instructions. After joining, look around the server channels or the welcome area. You should see a message or panel with a link to blox.link. Go ahead and click that link inside the Bloxlink server. Using the link from the server helps ensure you're going to the official site. On the Bloxlink website, you'll see a field asking for your Roblox username. Type your exact Roblox username, be careful with spelling and avoid using your display name. If you're unsure, you can double check your username from your Roblox profile page. When you're confident it's correct, click Get Verified Now. This tells Bloxlink which Roblox account to associate with your Discord profile. Give it a moment to process. If your browser is already signed into Roblox, this usually goes smoothly. If you don't see changes right away on Discord, that's normal. Server roles and nicknames can take a little time to update. Keep Discord open and watch for your roles or linked profile info to appear. Inside the Bloxlink server, you'll likely see a reminder that says not to ping the helper's role unless at least 10 minutes have passed. Please follow that. The system often needs a few minutes to sync across Discord and Roblox, and pinging too early just creates unnecessary noise. Wait the full 10 minutes if your verification hasn't shown up yet. In many cases, it will resolve on its own within that window. Once the link completes, you're verified. Your Roblox account is now connected to your Discord through Bloxlink, which helps servers assign the right roles, display your username correctly, and recognize your group ranks. If you ever change your Roblox username, you can revisit Bloxlink and repeat the process to refresh your connection. That's it. Open Discord, join the official Bloxlink server, use the Bloxlink button inside the server, enter your Roblox username, click Get Verified Now, and give it a little time before asking for help. Thanks for watching and enjoy your verified setup.